Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla
and Chocolate.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be making pasta
with sauce. It's very easy to make. I know that most of you know how to make pasta. There's not rocket science to do it. But I was doing pasta a certain way, and I'm not saying that it's the wrong way, but we're gonna show you a better way. And I know that a lot of students or people who are like, they don't have much time, they eat a lot of pasta because, you just take, basically you boil pasta, then you pour sauce on it, and you eat it like that. And that's not the way you should do it. I mean, my wife, she told me how to do it a better way.
Yeah, actually, I learned this way from my friend. Shout out to Farah. Thanks, girl. She's actually a really great cook.
Yeah, so there's one adjustment to it, and we're gonna show you how to do it.
Today, we're gonna add on broccoli, carrots, and mushrooms. And yeah, you can cook that in the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now, the pasta was boiling for 10 minutes, but this kind needs 15 minutes. It's like a flat noodles. So what I do, I add broccoli and carrot inside the pasta right now, because veggies need about 3 to 5 minutes to get soft. That's what you need. Oops, there's 2 cups in it. I
did not even know that.
That's fine.
Okay.
You fired.
Oh.
Anyway, so this is out of the way. Now, pasta is gonna cook for another 5 minutes, so we're gonna put it on the regular stove.
Okay, so while this is cooking there, we're gonna prepare the mushrooms. And actually, we have an interesting fact about the mushrooms.
Yeah, my father in Poland, he likes to go to the mountains. In my city where I was born, it's called Bielsko-Biała. It's like south of Poland. He likes to go to the mountains and pick up mushrooms. He's very good at it, and he knows exactly like what mushrooms to eat and all that. We have mountains right there, like 5 minutes from here, and we don't pick up mushrooms because we don't want to end up in hospital.
Exactly. We don't know what's poisonous or whatever, so we'll just keep buying them from the grocery store.
So let's try mushrooms.
Okay.
Now, you could fry broccoli and carrot with mushrooms. It's up to you. I like to do mushrooms separately because I like the flavor of mushrooms on top of the pasta. Okay, the pasta is ready, so I'm gonna switch it now. Let's put it on medium. I'm gonna drain the pasta. And here is the thing that most of the people do it that I used to do. I would just put it on the plate, then I would pour sauce on it, and that was it. Then I would just eat. Now I do it different way. I put the pasta back to the pot. I let it like cook a little bit so the water can evaporate. Then I add 1 egg to it. I mix the egg with the pasta. Once the egg is like nicely fried with pasta mixed in together, I keep stirring. And now I'm gonna add sauce. And as you see, If I would eat it like that, the sauce is liquidy, and that's what we don't want, and it doesn't even taste so good. So what you do, you cook it for about, I would say, like less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you when it's done. You will see that pasta will change a little bit. It's gonna be more thick. Now, do you see that? That's how it should look like. This texture is like, there's no, like almost no liquid. The sauce is mixed with the noodles, and that's how you want it. At this point, you could slice half of the garlic clove into the noodles right now in the pot, and probably would get a little bit softer, which is fine too. But I like it like almost raw, so what I do, I slice it straight onto the plate. When I put noodles on it, it's gonna get softer, not as much soft as I would do it now in the pot.
Actually, and garlic is really good for you. Very healthy.
Yeah, garlic is really good for you. We already, said something on other videos about it. We don't have a problem with it because we eat it together, so we can still kiss after we eat, and nobody complains.
Silly.
Okay, so let's put pasta on plate.
Okay.
It's not the best way I'm doing this, but
Do you want to show you what it looks like?
Yeah, so you can see.
Yeah.
This is not a restaurant, okay? So don't judge me.
Here you go. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna top it off with mushrooms. Yeah, looks good, right? And at the end, sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. And that's it.
Oh. You want to show the camera?
Yes. It's usually we would put it on the plate. Oh, by the way, there's garlic on there. So what I do now, I just mix everything. This is a part that I know many people's gonna skip because you're not gonna use garlic, which is fine. This doesn't look like the restaurant style.
Whatever, it tastes good. So
It tastes good. That's the whole point,
sometimes food looks good and it tastes horrible, or it can look horrible and taste good. So.
Exactly, it's like I'm not gonna repeat myself. We are not a restaurant. Don't worry, we're not gonna give it to you. So we just
when you cook it yourself, it can look presentable.
Yeah, I could unload it now from this plate, put on nicer plate, and it would look probably nice. But this is just for us, and
so it's good because it's packed with vegetables. You have your pasta, your cheese. It's good.
Yeah, and I understand the the reason behind presentation. Of course, it has to look nice, because if it doesn't, who's gonna eat that, right?
Okay, I don't know about him, but I'm hungry, so let's do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm talking too much, so.
Okay. Here we go.
Here we go. Yes.
Ready?
I love the mushrooms in pasta.
And the noodles are right on.
Yes. The only thing I would do, which I forgot, our famous black pepper.
Pepper?
Black pepper.
Pepper.
Pepper. I don't know what paper is, but pepper
I didn't say paper, did I?
Something similar, but whatever.
And a little bit of salt. And you can also add olive oil. And that's how we're gonna say bye to you, right?
Yes.
Let us know if you like the pasta the way we did, and remember to subscribe. There's like a red button in the right bottom corner. It says subscribe, so just click on it and voila, you are subscribed.
Yes, make sure you watch all of our videos and like.
Like. Okay, I think that's it, right?
Yep, that's it.
And I know this was a really simple thing to do, and I don't know, like some people gonna think, oh, we knew about it already. Well,
It's
some
okay.
people didn't.
Yeah, exactly.
So we did it for you. Okay, see you guys.
Bye.
What are you doing? There's no more pasta in there.
There is still more dry sauce on the side of the pot.
Give me that.